I know you're all wondering what this is. My thought process on that is, as the tracks come along, if for some reason they try to bounce against the frame, this will prevent them from locking up and tearing. So I took where the tracks normally pass by, I took the center measurement and then I divided it between this plate. It's a 6-inch plate. And I just figured, worst case scenario, if the tracks bounce against this, it's going to deflect them. It's kind of a glider plate, I guess you could call it. So, that 1.75 inch space that I have, if for some reason it ever gets side hilling or whatever the case may be, then it'll slide right past this point. This wire disc works really well. I never tried it because I was using that wire cup back there, and that wire cup did absolutely nothing. But that wire disc just really eats away at the paint. So I think I'm going to continue the process using that. I got quite a bit done today. I got the whole inner side done here. I'm just left with the little intricate parts on the back here. And then I got the whole top part done. So I'm pretty happy that I got the majority of this taken care of today. Like I said, I'll just keep chipping away at this. I can only mentally take so much of this grinding and wire wheeling and wire disking and stuff like that, but I did make a bunch of progress. The sad part is, as soon as I'm done with this side, I get to flip it and start the whole process over again. So it's kind of like Groundhog's Day, but we will keep moving forward with this project. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. It's pretty nice out today. I think I'll go for a run. But other than that, guys, take care of yourselves and I'll catch you next time. See you later. Bye-bye.